So this is the Bolsa Supply Midway with no additional compression, half plate, aluminum half plate with the Auralite switches from Ash Keeves. Those are lubed and filmed with GMK Firefly on it. Yeah, there's a lot of you guys can kind of see there's some bounce with this. This is a nice soft bouncy typing experience. Yeah, there's some nice goodness with that. So let's give this a quick little sound test. Hold on one sec, chat. One sec, guys. Let's see the inside of this really quick. Hear like a rubbing sound that I'm not liking. No, it's not the switches. Alright guys, let's take a look at the keyboard. Don't say that, dude. You're not a lesser child by any means. Also, I plugged in him for you guys. I know you guys been wanting the tater back, dude. Alright, let's take a look. So this is it here. I actually haven't even opened it. Oh, did I pause the music? Oops. I've been so busy, dude. It just ran. But what do you think of the Salvation Run again? I think there's gonna be lots of extras that you guys should keep your eye out for. I honestly think there'll be tons of extras. So don't fret. I do think you'll have another shot at buying this wonderful keyboard. But yeah, I have not had a chance to even open this yet. So we're opening it all together. So we get a USB cord. So I was told that this is still very much a production sample. So there's gonna be some defects on this. So again, keep that with an open mind. In the retail package, you should be getting 2 O-rings, a 50A and a 70A. Those are durometers. One's going to be a little bit softer, and the other one's going to be more stiff. Oh, Gio, thank you so much for the tier 1, dude. I appreciate you. I got you, Dutch, with the hydrate. These multicams are really good. It's so interesting. Thank you, dude. All right. But yeah, we're only going to use 58 today because that's all we got in this package. There's the daughter board in here. Here's our little PCB. I want to let you guys pick. I'm kind of myself gearing towards the half plate, the aluminum half plate that we used today. But would you like to use a carbon fiber plate? I'm going to leave this up to you guys. Half plate or carbon fiber? I don't have an FR4. What do you guys want to see? Half plate or carbon fiber, dude? I'm gonna leave this up to you guys, chat. I'm leaning towards half plate myself. So again, guys, this is really just a demo. A lot of the stuff in here, like, I don't know if there was gonna be a carbon fiber plate in this. Also, I think my color combination is not a color combination you guys can get either. Ooh, look at that. The Midway Bolsa Supply. Half plate? Carbon fiber too stiff? You think carbon fiber is too stiff? Interesting. Alright, now for the keyboard reveal. Since we were at DMCA'd, I will play the music for you guys through my mouth. Dun 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 dun.
Oh, thank you, dude.
Oh, thank you. Dun 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 dun. Soup, thank you so much for your prime, dude. I appreciate that, man. Ooh, blue with copper. This is a hot color combo, dude. So as far as I know, I believe the copper weight is only available in the limited edition. Also, this is not, I don't think this is properly, what's it called? Coated. So we might see some tarnishing, but it's okay. I think the other ones will. This is nice. I really like this. I'm telling you guys right now, I can already see the daughter board goes underneath, like the cable for it goes underneath here. That's an awesome way to put that. This is pretty hot. Okay. Damn, dude. This is pretty damn hot. Thank you for the bits, Choosy. I appreciate you. GMK Firefly? Oh. We could take Firefly off of... Did we take it? Do we want to take Firefly off the F18X though? Do we want to? I don't know. Yes? Firefly, please? Thank you, Tragic, for the 100 bits, dude. I appreciate you. Okay. Okay, I mean, like... So sad. I wish I had more keycap sets. So Anno looks pretty good. Again, this is very much a production sample, so I'm told, but Anno still looks very good. We're gonna put our little feetsies on here, and then I'll show you guys the board up close. Whale would look pretty interesting too. I also kind of want to put Firefly too. I'm kind of leaning towards Firefly. I don't know. How about an all black keycap set? Like white on black. What do you guys think of that? Could that look pretty hot? Can't go wrong. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Bolsa. Ooh. So here is the unit. I kind of wish I left 1440p streaming on, but Sunday mornings usually never even activates, because Sunday mornings are pretty high, like in terms of who's streaming and all that kind of stuff, so it doesn't give us usually the bandwidth for it. But is 1080p okay, guys? Can we see things still? That's hot, dude. That's hot. Here is the unit. Alex Otis 2021. It's true.
Oh, thank you, dude.
Purplish, thank you so much for the tier 1. I'm on my phone. Oh, so does it even matter if it's on the phone? I do not know. So we're using half plate? Yes. Yes. I've been wanting to use a half plate again. It's been a little while. Okay, let us grab... Oh, so we're going to be putting these switches inside. These are Auralites from Ash Keeps. These are lubed and filmed. Pretty excited. But first things first. Let's actually... Oh, hydrate. Got you, Ian. Let's actually do some stabs. Let's lube up some stabilizers. I guess my thing is, what layout do I want to go with? I'm thinking standard. Do we just want to do a standard 60% layout? So the other really interesting thing about this keyboard too, guys, which I really like, this is an O-ring mounted, so we slot it in kind of like the unicorn and stuff like that. I'm told that we don't need to use clip-ins for this, which is pretty awesome. So we can use normal Durock. Thank you, Chiang. I appreciate that. Tier 1, dude. I appreciate you. Split backspace? Would split backspace look nice on this chat? Should we do split backspace? So should we only do 1, 2, 3 stabs? Should we do 7U, enter, shift, split backspace, split right shift? Do we want to do that? That looked pretty hot. I think that would look... I mean... the same layout as the Salvation. Okay, we'll do it. We'll do the same layout as the Salvation. All right, I'm gonna move this over. Give me one sec, chat. Uno secondo. And then let us grab. You know what? Let's use the black one today. I'm kind of limited on desk space today, unfortunately. So we're gonna use this guy. Unfortunately, I don't have enough room today. I have been so busy, I have not had a chance to clean. Did you get this through group buy? Was it sent to you? The keyboard, the Midway, was sent to me by Bolsa. So this is a pre-production unit. So keep that in mind, everybody. This is pre-production. So if we do see some flaws in it, it's already been noted to me. It's already been noted that we might see some like irregularities. Ooh, I like that word, irregularities, with this. Might see some. These are filmed, yeah. I did put Desky's films in these, and they're lubed with 205G0. I was comparing the sound profile, did some A/B sound tests, comparison stuff. And I do think that these ones here are pretty good. This is an aluminum half plate. This is an alu half plate. It's like a, I mean, like, I think it's silver, but it kind of looks white. But you can see it's like a gray. It's like a very, very light silver. So here it is, with Firefly on it. There we go. Ooh. All right, do you guys want to hear a sound test quick? Ooh. The assembly can move around a bit. It looks like it's all clear though on the bottom. So you know what it might be? It could even just be that I need to push down the switches a bit better. They're leaning. Sorry, I didn't push them in all the way, guys. That's why it's like the one thing I always do is I don't push in switches all the way. Tape mod? I don't think this needs a tape mod. Do you guys think this needs a tape mod? So this isn't the JWK switch. I like the way this sounds as is. I think this is beautiful, by the way. So there's the side profile there. If you guys wanted to take a look at it. There's the butt of it again. With that copper weight. There's the back of it here. There's another profile here. I like this little front lip. This looks really clean. Very, very nice. I really like this. This turned out pretty pog. Okay, I guess we're doing no tape mod, guys. But this was the Midway 60.